In today's video, we have an interesting topic to discuss that will change the way you work. We are diving into the world of AI tools for freelancers, which can save you a lot of time, boost your productivity, and take your freelance career to new heights. I have a bonus tip for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay until the end and discover a valuable resource that will enhance your freelance career even more. Let's jump right in with our first AI tool for freelancers. Well, you might have already guessed it. True, ChatGPT. This AI-powered chatbot and language model can be a game changer for freelancers. Whether you need assistance with customer support, generating content ideas, or even drafting emails, ChatGPT has got your back. It's like having a virtual assistant at your fingertips. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to provide accurate and very fast responses to inquiries. As a freelancer, maintaining an excellent customer service is crucial for client satisfaction and repeat business. With ChatGPT, you can leverage its natural language processing capabilities to address customer queries promptly and effectively. This not only saves you a lot of time, but also enhances your freelance career. Next on the list, we have MidJourney. MidJourney is a groundbreaking platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to amplify creative thinking and ideation. It offers a unique approach to exploring new mediums of thought, expanding the boundaries of imagination, and empowering freelancers to unlock their full creative potential. One of the key benefits of MidJourney is to create AI-generated content as a starting point or an inspiration for creative projects. Whether you're a writer, designer, or an artist, MidJourney's AI-generated content can help you explore new directions, overcome creative blocks, and discover fresh perspectives in your work. Moving on, we have Descript on the list, an AI-driven audio and video editing tool that will make the process of your content creation a breeze. Descript automates transcription, captioning, and editing, allowing you to save time and streamline your workflow. With this tool, you can enhance the quality of your audio and video content, making it look more professional and more engaging. Creating high-quality content is vital for freelancers, especially when it comes to demonstrating your skills and expertise. With Descript, you can polish your content to perfection, ensuring that your freelance portfolio or content stands out from a crowded marketplace. Before we move on to the bonus tip, let's discover another AI tool that can benefit a lot of freelancers just like yourself. Kaiber. Kaiber is an AI video generation tool that helps you to transform your ideas into engaging videos only by using images or text descriptions. At its core, Kaiber utilizes artificial intelligence to generate visuals from text description or images. Simply input your idea or inspiration, select your preferred style, and watch as Kaiber magically brings your vision to life in an immersive, high-quality video format. For example, Kaiber can be used for musicians to enhance their Spotify or YouTube presence with AI-generated video content. Kaiber can also be used for creators and artists to find inspiration and also create very unique content for their projects. Also, Kaiber can be used for enthusiasts just like you to transform your ideas and imagination into very unique video content. Finally, I have a special bonus tip just for you. Check out topai.tools. This comprehensive online resource provides a curated list of AI tools specifically designed for freelancers. It offers a vast selection of tools to explore, ranging from project management and time tracking to AI-powered writing assistants and design automation. By visiting this website, you will find a treasure of AI tools that can help you bring your freelance business to new heights. Link in the description below. And there you have it, our top AI tools for freelancers. These tools are here to empower you, save you a lot of time, and eventually take your freelance career to new heights. Remember, as a freelancer, embracing these AI tools can give you a competitive edge, help you to be more productive, and also deliver high quality and exceptional results to your clients. So don't hesitate to explore these AI tools and discover how can they help you to transform your freelance career. By the way, if you know any other AI tools that can be a tool for freelancers, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more tips, guides and videos about freelancing, remote work and online businesses. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy freelancing.